Hey guys, last week I checked out an awesome application called AC Display or Act Display, and it's recently had a massive update to its beta application. Of course, you will need to be signed up to the Google Plus community to get this because it is only for the beta channel right now, but it's added some really awesome features. So yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. So firstly, we have the option to actually use this as a lock screen, and this is definitely one of my favorite features. You can press the power button, you can see active display here, the timer is still there. You can swipe up to lock the device. Of course, double tapping anywhere still works. You can press the power button again, see your notifications, or you can just swipe down to unlock your device. It's been working great for me, but it is said to be an experimental feature, so just be aware of that. Next up, we have active mode, and this uses the device's proximity sensors to essentially tell it when it's being put in or taken out of a pocket. And in the case of it being taken out of a pocket, it's going to display your notifications on the screen without you having to press any other button. So it's a really useful feature. It probably does drain a little bit extra power using this feature because it has to use the sensors more often, but I've been using it and I really haven't noticed any major drain, so it's definitely a sweet feature to have. If we just have a quick example of it, you can see if I cover the screen, the top half of the screen with my hand, essentially mimicking a pocket, because this is how it would be, I send a test notification in, you'll see that when it comes in, the display does not turn on because it thinks it's in a pocket, so it's not wasting any power there. But when I take it out of my pocket or I remove my hand here, you'll see the display comes on and shows the notification. Again, you've got a certain amount of time to act on it, and you can just swipe it away and it'll lock the device again. We've also now got a blacklisting option, so if you don't want an application to show up on active display, you can actually blacklist that. Just press the overflow menu here, hit blacklist, and you now have an option of all your user apps. You can just go ahead and turn one of these toggles on and that application will no longer show on active display. There is another way to get to this as well. You can get to it straight from the notification. So if we just send a test notification, you'll see once it comes in a 3-dot menu next to the time, an overflow menu. Hit that and just go straight into blacklist, and boom, there you go. So if we take a quick look at the settings, you've got options for lock screen and active mode. If we dive into interface, you have the option to use your wallpaper, which is something I absolutely love. If you untick that, you can use a solid black background. That's not so much of a big deal for me on my Nexus 5 because I don't have an AMOLED display, so using a black background doesn't really help me, and I just like the look of my wallpaper anyway. I think it looks awesome. And if we dive into more here, you also have an option to have it inactive. So I've got this set from 11 PM at night to 7 AM in the morning. During that time, my screen will not light up when new notifications arrive. That's something that I really like as well. So as you can see, the developer is adding more and more features. Again, this is version 2.0. This is the beta version. You have to be on the beta track. You have to join up the community on Google Plus to get this. So yeah, the developer's doing a great job with this application. He's added some really nice features here, and of course there are more coming. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Peace out.